Hey guys, we're back here today with another video. Today, what I'm actually going to do today, I'm going to give you a walk around of this Nissan 350Z. We're actually going to be doing a full restoration on this 350Z. We'll be putting back on the battle air wing on there, and we have some other parts that we're going to put on there, which are you got like the Geek Tech, little angle kits. So I'll be giving you a walk around of showing you what we're actually going to be doing with this. This is going to be featuring on the channel within another couple of weeks. You know, we have other stuff to bring on the channel before we get to this, but just to give a feature of what we bring into the channel, you know, this is going to be a full restoration. So stay tuned, guys. I'll give you a walk around now. So we're actually going to do here with this car, we're going to repaint it. Well, we don't know don't know exactly what color we're going to go in yet. I'm actually going to, we got the spring boards on there already in the back. So we have some spring boards for the front. Let's get a tour on the inside. Guys, this car was actually automatic, sorry. And I converted to manual. And I am actually going to put the spring boards on the front. We don't have the spring boards on there yet. So this is the battle air wing that will be actually going back on here. And this is some of the parts that we're actually going to put in the motor. We're going to change the cold air intake. Now we're actually going to do put on the Geek Tech angle kit on there and put a bigger throttle body on the car. So you see we have the going to change up the intake. Already have a vent here that's taking a little more air to the cold air intake and the bumper blocking off. We have a new lip to put on here, so you can see the lip is actually missing. So we'll bring that on another video, showing you the lip that we want to put on this car. As I said in previous video, guys, I love these Nissan 350Zs and the 370s, G37s. So anywhere these cars at, we got e-rebuilds gonna be there. So we have plans to go to Jamaica. So we was invited to Jamaica to do some blogging and some repairs of some vehicles in Jamaica. So, you know, that will be in the future. We'll be bringing you that onto the channel. And yes, guys, this is the Nissan 350Z right here. That we're actually going to be fully restoring. Right here on the island of Barbados. And then we'll be moving back to Atlanta, going back to Atlanta to do some more Nissan 350Z. But for now, we're here in Barbados. Doing some restoration of these cars. So as you can see, we'll be mixing it in while we're here with some body work. A little bit of paint work. And that's where it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got some very good content coming to the channel. Stay tuned.